Hello everyone friends, I'll quickly show you how to set custom backgrounds like Rolex, Cartier, and other watch faces on your Apple Watch. First, go to the App Store and download Clickology. Here, open the app and register or log in. Next, we need the app called Watch. Open it and install Clickology there. Then find their Telegram group and search for something like Rolex to browse through options you might like. When you find one you like, download the file, open it, and tap Share. Then select Clickology from the Share options. After that, press the Synchronize button. Here, it will sync with your watch once connected to your Clickology app. That's all. This was with you. Goodbye, everyone.